you're experiencing server timeout issues while trying to play FIFA 24, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the issue efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak or intermittent, consider resetting your router. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Sometimes, a simple restart can solve connectivity issues. Turn off your gaming console or PC completely, wait for a minute, and then turn it back on. This can refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. Step 3. Update FIFA 24. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in the game settings or your console's game library. Installing the latest patches can fix bugs and improve server connectivity. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Switching to a different DNS server can enhance your connection to the game servers. Go to your network settings and change your DNS to Google's DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare's DNS 1.1, 1.1. Save the changes and restart your connection. Step 5. Contact EA support. If none of the above steps work, it may be time to reach out to EA support for assistance. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps or inform you about any ongoing server issues affecting FIFA 24. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve server timeout issues and get back to enjoying FIFA 24. If problems persist, keep an eye on official channels for updates or further guidance.